Salam. Okay, in the last video, I've talked about the time. Now today, I want to teach you a new terms about time. For example, today, tomorrow, What are these in Persian? Let's go. Okay, my name is Asal and it means honey. I don't know why, but I wanted to tell you what does my name mean. So if you like it, and no, if you don't like it. If you want to learn Persian, you can subscribe the channel and watch my videos. By the way, let's start the lesson. If you didn't watch the previous video about time and saying, for example, what time is it, you can go and watch that. But today, I want to tell you any parts of the day, and for example, today, tomorrow, talking about time, but a little bit different. I don't know what are these called, the adverbs of time. Today, امروز, امروز, this afternoon. امروز بعد از ظهر. امروز بعد از ظهر. This morning. امروز صبح. امروز صبح. It is not necessary to say صبح. So, relax and just say صبح. امروز صبح. This evening. امروز غروب. امروز غروب. Tonight. امشب. امشب. Afternoon. بعد از ظهر. بعد از ظهر. بعد از ظهر. The day before yesterday. پریروز. پریروز. The night before last night. پریشب. پریشب. The day after tomorrow. پس فردا. پس فردا. Before noon. پیش از ظهر. پیش از ظهر. پیش از ظهر. Yesterday. دیروز. دیروز. Yesterday afternoon. دیروز بعد از ظهر. دیروز بعد از ظهر. You see, we don't say بعد از. We say بعد از. بعد از. Again, دیروز بعد از ظهر. Yesterday morning. دیروز صبح. دیروز صبح. No one in everyday speaking say صبح. They say دیروز صبح. دیروز صبح. Yesterday evening. دیروز غروب. دیروز غروب. Last night. دیشب. دیشب. Next year. سال آینده. سال آینده. Night. شب. Morning. صبح. Early in the morning. صبح زود. Again, don't make yourself to say صبح زود. صبح زود. صبح زود. Noon. ظهر. ظهر. Late afternoon. عصر. عصر. Sunset. غروب. غروب. Tomorrow. فردا. فردا. Tomorrow afternoon. فردا بعد از ظهر. Again. فردا بعد از ظهر. Tomorrow night. فردا شب. Tomorrow morning. فردا صبح. فردا صبح. tomorrow evening. فردا غروب. فردا غروب. next month. ماه آینده. ماه آینده. also you can say ماه بعد. ماه بعد. next week. هفته آینده. هفته آینده. also you can say هفته بعد. هفته بعد. Now let's use them and also the time, which I talked about it in the last video, in a short dialogue. And note that the dialogue and conversation is in informal language, everyday speaking. No signs of formal in the written. Okay, let's go. کی باغ وحش باز میشه؟ کی باغ وحش باز میشه؟ ساعت 8 صبح. ساعت 8 صبح. باغ وحش همه روزه بازه؟ باغ وحش همه روزه بازه؟ آره، ولی جمعه ها ساعت 9 صبح باز میشه. آره، ولی جمعه ها ساعت 9 صبح باز میشه. A little bit faster. آره، ولی جمعه ها ساعت 9 صبح باز میشه. امروز چه ساعتی به اونجا میریم؟ امروز چه ساعتی به اونجا میریم؟ A little bit faster. امروز چه ساعتی به اونجا میریم؟ ساعت 10:30. ساعت 10:30. Well, we finished for today. If you have any questions, you can ask me in comments. I know that's very easy, but any question or any ideas for videos, you can tell me in comments. And don't forget to follow my Instagram page. In that page, I have teaching you a little idioms, slangs, and some short things, there. So don't miss that, and you will make me happy if you subscribe, like, and comment your opinions for me. See you in the next videos. Goodbye. خداحافظ. All the dialects and conversations. آرایشم خراب شد.